Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, subject Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss about the topic Principle of Planning Biology Curriculum at School Level. The biology curriculum serve as a continuation of the science curriculum and build on the strength of current biology curricula. It will provide a range of balanced learning experiences through which students develop the necessary scientific knowledge and understanding, skill and processes, values and attitude embedded in the life and living strand and other strand of science education for personal development and for contribution toward a scientific and technological world. The curriculum will prepare students for entering tertiary courses, vocation related courses, or the workforce in various fields of the life science. Biology is a rapidly advancing science with huge amount of information about living organism. It is always confused as a subject of memorizing numerous unrelated facts. In this curriculum, it is hoped that students will acquire a limited body of facts and at the same time develop a broad general understanding of biology principles and concepts. In order to make the study of biology exciting and relevant, it is suggested to introduce the learning of biology in real life context. The adoption of diverse learning and teaching strategy and assessment practices is intended to stimulate interest and create motivation for learning among students with a range of abilities and aspirations. What are the aim of the curriculum? The aim of the biology curriculum is to provide biology related learning experiences for students to develop scientific literacy so that they can participate actively in our rapidly changing knowledge based society, prepare for further studies or career in the field related to life sciences, and become lifelong learner in science and technology. The broad aim of the curriculum are to enable the students to first develop and maintain an interest in biology, a sense of wonder and curiosity towards the living world, and a respect for all living things and the environment. Second, construct and apply knowledge of biology, understand the nature of science in the biology related context, and appreciate the relationship between biological science and other disciplines. Third, develop the ability to make scientific inquiries, think scientifically, critically, and creatively, and solve problems individually and collaboratively in a biology related context. Next point, understand the language of science and communicate ideas and views on the biology related issues. Be aware of the social, ethical, economic, environment, and technological implication of biology and be able to inform decision and judgment on biology related issues and develop an attitude of responsible citizenship and a commitment to promote personal and community health checkup. Then the next is the curriculum framework. The learning target of the biology curriculum are categorized into three domains: knowledge and concept, skill and processes, and values and attitude. Through the learning embodied in the biology curriculum, student will acquire the relevant learning target in various biology related contexts. First is the knowledge and concept. Students are expected to acquire knowledge and develop understanding of biological principles, concept, term and facts. Develop biological practical technique and process skills. Apply biological knowledge and concepts to familiar and unfamiliar situations. Develop an understanding of current issue and development in the biology. Second is the skill and processes. Students are expected to develop ability to think scientifically and creatively, acquire an analytical mind to critically evaluate biology related issue, make careful observation, ask relevant questions, identify problem and formulate hypothesis for investigation. Use information technology to process and present scientific information. Communicate ideas and view effectively with others using the language of science. Third is the value and attitude. Some students are expected to show an interest in study of biology, appreciate the wonder and complexity of nature, and show respect for all living things and the environment. Be aware of application of biological knowledge in the society and their social, ethical, economical, and environmental implications. Be aware of dynamic nature of body of biological knowledge and appreciate the role of science and technology in understanding the living world. This is all about the principles of planning biology at school level. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it.